Okay, so here's H1's video. So the directions are you are given the graph of f, write the corresponding f prime number line. Okay, so this is the graph of f, and what we're going to do is this. So first we're going to draw a number line, and then we're going to put an f prime on that number line, okay? This number line talks about the values of f prime. And what you've got to know is that f prime is the slope of the tangent line. All right, f prime is the slope of the tangent line. Now I wrote here on this sticky note, and I'll put this in our completed notes. But here's the steps. First, we're going to find the points where f prime is 0. So we're going to find the points where the slope of the tangent line is 0. So find points where f prime is 0. And when f prime is 0, guys, you're looking for a horizontal tangent. And then after doing that, so we're going to find those points, we're going to put them on the number line, and then we're going to find the intervals where f prime is positive or negative, and we will indicate that on the number line. So, yeah, so I will have these in class, all right, for people who want to take them, home. And so this is just the tangent line. So we're looking for where f prime, so we're looking for where this tangent line is horizontal, because that would be where the slope of it is 0. All right, so here I got a horizontal tangent at this number, -3. So yeah, I guess I'll put that on the number line. So we're gonna have, or I'll wait. Let me write over here. So f prime equals 0 at x equals, okay, so I got -3 is one of them. And then where else? Okay, right here is another horizontal tangent. X equals -3, 1. I got another one down here at 5. And that's it, no more horizontal tangents. So once you have them, once you have figured out where f prime is 0, then you're going to put those on the number line. So I'll put, what will I do? I'm trying to think of how I've done this before. I think I put, what did I do in the past? Maybe I just put a line like that. So there's -3, doesn't have to be perfect. Here's 1, and there's 5. Okay, and then above those, like above these marks here, I will, no, never mind. I won't do that. Okay, so now, from there, actually, yeah, I'm gonna put dots on those. Okay, so I have found where f prime is 0. Now I'm gonna figure out, on these intervals, so to the left of -3 is f prime positive or negative. Between -3 and 1 is f prime positive or negative. Between 1 and 5 is it positive or negative, and beyond 5 is f prime positive or negative. Okay, so you're going to take, so f prime is the slope of the tangent line. So you take the tangent line. So we're testing to the left of -3. So here's -3. To the left of -3, just put your tangent line somewhere, anywhere. And ask yourself, is that a positive or a negative slope? It is negative. So you're going to put a negative there above this whole interval. So that represents that on this entire interval from -infinity all the way up to -3, f prime is negative. The slope of the tangent line is negative. Now between -1 and, between -3 and 1, okay, so between -3 and 1, so on this stretch of f, you're going to take your tangent line, put it anywhere, and you ask, is it positive or negative, the slope of that tangent line? This time it is positive. Now between 1 and 5, so between 1 and 5, you take your tangent line, I guess I'll put it right there at 2. That slope is negative. And then beyond 5, okay, so here's where 5 is. So beyond 5 on this stretch of f, you put the tangent line. So there's my point of tangent C, positive. And that's it, okay? That is the answer. Now down here, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, I'll go a little bit faster. So first I'll find where f prime is 0. F prime is 0 at x equals, so where are you going to have horizontal tangents? I'm going to have one at negative 10, and then I'll have another one at negative 2. Okay, I'm just like sectioning this off. Then I go to my number line. It's important to put f prime here, because we're also going to have an f double prime number line. So when we do these number lines, it's going to, they could represent different things. So it's important that you label the number line. So this is the f prime number line. I'm putting negative 10 and negative 2 on it. Okay. So to the left of negative 10 is f prime positive or negative. Between negative 10 and negative 2, is it positive or negative? Beyond negative 2, is f prime positive or negative? All right, so left of 10. All right, so there's 10. So on this stretch of f, we've got a positive slope. Between negative 10 and 2, so negative 10 and negative 2, negative 10 and negative 2. So on this stretch of f, f prime is negative. The slope is negative. And then beyond negative 2, so on this stretch of f, positive again. Okay, and there is the answer.